Assalamu alaikum, beta. Yesterday we started our talk about active and passive voice. I told you many things about active and passive voice, but let's continue our discussion on the same topic. Uh, Let me write two sentences for you. Okay. The first sentence is Shahid loves Ifat, my daughter. And second, Ifat is loved by Shahid. That means here, uh, in the first sentence, Shahid is the doer, that is the subject. But in the second sentence, it will be known that verb is changed. We can write many more examples like this, but I want to just tell you something from just to give this example. I want to deduce something from this example. Shahid loves Ifat, Ifat is loved by Shahid. In the first sentence, it will be noted that the verb loves is changed from active to the passive voice. The object, when the verb is changed from the active to the passive voice, is the passive. Ifat, this is active. Okay, so the verb, when the verb is changed from the active voice to the passive, the object of the verb in the active form, this is the object, becomes the subject of the verb in the passive form. Thus, in the second sentence, it's Ifat, which is the subject, who is the subject, and Shahid is not the subject here. Thus, in the sentence first, it is Ifat was the object, but in the second sentence, it becomes the subject of the verb that is loved. Uh, since it follows, since the object of the verb in the active form, since the object of the verb in the active form becomes the subject of the verb in the passive form, it follows that only transitive verbs can be used in the passive voice. It follows because the object becomes the subject, but when there is no object, how can you form, how can it be converted into passive form? That's a question. So it follows that only transitive verb, uh, only transitive verbs can be used in the passive voice because intransitive verb do not have object. Okay, now the passive voice is formed with the suitable tense of the verb be followed. Passive voice can be formed from the active form by suitable tense of the verb followed by past participle. Study of let's study the table. Okay. Okay. First, simple present. Okay. Present continuous. Okay. Present perfect. Okay. Simple past. Okay. Past continuous. Past continuous. Okay. Past perfect. Past perfect. Okay. Past perfect. उसके बाद है simple future. Simple future. Okay. Now let's for simple, for example, simple present means I take, he takes, and okay. It becomes I take, I am taken. Okay. Mm, takes is taken is a passive voice. It's active voice. Okay. Second is past continuous. Was taking, sorry, present continuous, that is taking. Okay, is taking, are taking. Okay, here it's is being taken, or being taken. Okay, becomes now we have present perfect. Has taken, have taken. Okay, it becomes in the passive voice, it becomes has been taken, have been taken. I will teach you all here. Now, simple past. What is simple past? Took, was taken, were taken. They took, they were taken. Okay. Past continuous. Was taking, were taking. Acha. Was being taken, was being taken, were being taken. Okay. In the passive voice. In the simple future, so past perfect. Had taken becomes had been taken. Okay, simple future is will take or shall take, will take or shall take, will be taken, shall be taken. Okay, so this shows, this table actually shows how the passive voice is formed with suitable tense of the verb be followed by the past participle. I think this is enough for today. We'll leave it for tomorrow. Till then, Khuda Hafiz.